Hi guys, I know it's been a while, but I was sent my first ever PR package from Kiss New York, and I just was in the middle of swatching everything and I wanted to show you guys how these are looking. So yeah, I'm really thinking that Rich Mahogany is my shade, most likely, but I'll go ahead and swatch these two just so you guys can see what they look like. And these are so full coverage, like I have a lot of hyperpigmentation right here, and just by swatching these colors, like I don't see any of it. It looks like a foundation almost. This box looks small. It looks like the actual tube is only this wide, you know? But look at how big it is when you open it. That's a huge tube, right? There's a lot of product, like a ton. A lot comes out at once, guys, so be careful. Okay, we knew that this was not gonna be the one. That's why I saved these two for last, because I just knew. I mean, maybe for a concealer, maybe. So now this next one I'm trying is Cappuccino. So that one has a really obvious yellow undertone, really golden. Both beautiful colors, but just not mine. But I don't know, do you guys conceal when you use BB cream? I've never concealed when using BB cream. I'm going to wash this off, make sure you guys got a good look at this range. This is only 6 of the dark range, I believe, that Kiss New York is currently selling. I'm gonna wipe this off, and then I think I'm gonna put on Rich Mahogany because I still feel like this one was the closest match to my skin.